live in what will be known as the urban generation. The populations moving into urban centres worldwide are going to double over the next 40 to 50 years. That means, if you stop and think about it, that we're going to build the same amount of urbanism in 40 to 50 years that has taken the whole of civilization. That's a unique challenge. And the challenge is, how do we build and how do we make it quick enough and affordable enough? And I think that is the challenge that we'll be looking at over the next decade.
UB was driven by the frustration as an architect that I had, always seeing the beautiful buildings that we designed costing more and more and more as time went on, to the point where there is an affordability crisis in this country. My objective was to look at different technologies that might help to stabilise that cost or even bring it down. With UB, it was developed as something that doesn't have a fixed size. We make buildings specific to other people's designs. We don't have to design it. We will take your building, another architect's building, and turn it into units that we can transport, and that opens the door to being able to build them in a controlled facility. Everybody wants to see their building built quickly. We do that. And everybody wants to see their building built according to their ideas and according to the standard that they envisage.
I think being true to architectural design may be one of the key differentiators of what we're doing. There's a lot of prefabricated happening around the world, and it tends to be based on traditional sizes and possibly container technology or something similar to that. The key difference that we have is that we can make units of any dimension, so various widths, various lengths, and that allows us to break apart a building or unitize it, hence Unitised Building, and be true to the architect's dreams. We can build a lot of different types of buildings. About the only thing that the technology may not be suitable for is very large open office space. So we're tending to probably focus on residential, hotel, and then hospitals and aged care are also big areas for us. The key thing to developers is you get a high quality product in about half the time. Because we're operating in a controlled environment and we're undercover, we take away a lot of construction risk delay. And delay of construction risk is applicable. That's a big problem for both developer and for the lenders.
The most important benefit of the Unitised system for developers and for our industry is its sustainability. We've been working very closely with Melbourne University to explore the many advantages in material waste, recyclability, as well as transport and embodied energy. It's clear from these studies that the entire life cycle of the UB module is significantly more sustainable than conventional construction.
What you've got here is metal, which is recyclable, lightweight, can actually be used in a componentry, and clean, able to be fabricated in a factory and then just stacked, but incredibly durable. So you're winning on all counts.
Unitised Building socially has opened up the construction industry to a number of different people who previously weren't able to get into the construction industry. Women have a place now in Unitised Building manufacturing. There's room for more apprentices. It's a safer work environment. There's no more working at heights. There's no more working in direct sunlight or in rainy, cold weather. It's in a factory.
Well, I think traditionally we've seen construction as a linear process where you start from the site works and then you go through excavation, foundations, structure, and everybody follows on and everybody trips over each other on the way through. It's not an efficient way of building. And I think the UB system is a system that actually provides us with a very clean 24-hour operation if you want. This means we can procure housing very efficiently without wastage. And the site time is reduced dramatically. It's showing the rest of the industry where the future lies.